Hey, good evening to you. An incredible game one of the finals. Sully will have the highlights for you a little bit later in sports. But we're going to begin tonight with the Attorney General of Arkansas refusing to appoint a new member to the State Ethics Commission, openly defying a law that requires that appointee be a minority. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley has more on the standoff that seems destined for court. Andrew.
This may be the first time in state history that the Attorney General has rejected his duty to appoint a member to the Arkansas Ethics Commission on these grounds.
That came as a surprise. I've been here more than 25 years, and there's never been a problem, with the makeup of the board.
June 2nd was supposed to be the last day for Ethics Commission member Miguel Lopez, the only one of the 5-member board who currently fulfills the DEI requirement in state law. But the same day, the Attorney General called the requirement unconstitutional and declined to appoint his replacement, who would have to be a person of color.
As far as it being constitutional or not, I think the courts are the ones to decide whether or not a law is constitutional.
In a public statement, Griffin said there are many Arkansans who are members of a minority race who would be excellent choices because of their character, intelligence, and experience, not simply based on their race. I took an oath to uphold both the Arkansas and United States constitutions, which promise equality under the law, regardless of race. Because the Arkansas statute mandates unconstitutional racial discrimination, I am unable to comply with it.
The Attorney General is entirely correct that the law that requires an appointment to the Ethics Commission be of a minority person is unconstitutional, and the Supreme Court made that point essentially in a recent case involving affirmative action. I don't think he needs to refuse to fill the position. He should choose the most qualified person, and I think he can.
The Ethics Commission's DEI requirement was part of the 1991 initiated act that established the body. Because it was created by a vote of the people, the legislature cannot remove it from Arkansas's constitution without a minimum 2/3 vote. Due to that high threshold, the commission is one of the last state bodies with a DEI requirement after a new law passed at this year's session eliminated many racial and gender quotas. Now, as it relates to his duties, Griffin is drawing the same line in the sand with the commission.
His job is to do exactly what the law tells him to do. And when he does not do that, then not only is he in violation of the law, but he is in direct, distinct contrast to what the people have told him to do. I do not believe that this issue is about race. I think that it's more about direct democracy.
Abdul Bey says if Griffin continues to refuse to appoint a commissioner, the Arkansas chapter of the NAACP may sue. In the meantime, where does this leave the Ethics Commission? Well, nothing changes, actually.
By not appointing somebody to replace Commissioner Lopez, by declining that, it actually inures to the commission's benefit because Commissioner Lopez will continue to serve. He's got a lot of good experience.
And the Arkansas Ethics Commission already has a vacancy left by the resignation of former member John Pitts last year. It is the governor's responsibility to appoint a replacement for his seat. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
Okay, Andrew, thanks very much. You can read more about all this right now on our website, KATV.com.